The United States is on the verge of a recession, with inflation at its highest level in 40 years. Real estate, stock, and bond markets are collapsing, and you're overpaying on your energy bills. Here's what you can do about it. Whole House Fan Company will install revolutionary advanced whole house fans that quietly replace the air in your home, resulting in healthier air quality and running for just pennies a day. It's the smarter way to keep your home cool and comfortable all day long without breaking the bank. So, why wait? Click this ad to learn more about our Whole House Fan installation services. Schedule a free consultation with Whole House Fan Company today.